One of the great challenges in this world is knowing enough about a subject to think you're right, but not enough about the subject to know you're wrong. There's like a gazillion hours of me on the internet. In almost every case, I'm talking about the universe, black holes, the Big Bang, time travel, God. What I'm gonna do in this masterclass is teach you how to think. The goal here is to train your mind, how to see the world differently, how to ask questions of what others say. I've come to realize that there are three categories of truth: political truth, personal truth, and the objective truth that shape our understanding of the universe. The interesting thing about the objective truth is that it's true no matter what. Imagine that by the time we're done, you will be equipped with some of the methods and tools so you can turn data into information into knowledge into wisdom. We all have susceptibility to bias. Search engines on the internet are the epitome of confirmation bias. And you're gonna use that as evidence that you're correct? No. The good thing about science is that it's true whether or not you believe in it. What does it mean to be skeptic? What does it mean to be convinced by data? A proper skeptic questions what they are unsure of, but recognizes when valid evidence is presented to change their mind. I will equip you to not only find the objective truth, but to communicate to others how to get there. It's not good enough to be right, but you also have to be effective. The less connected you are to what is objectively true, the less likely you are going to make decisions that are going to benefit your life, the life of your family, or even civilization itself. If you care about what is actually true in this world, if you care about being empowered by engineering literacy, then this class is for you. I am Excel Chiba, and this is my masterclass.